Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I am totally obsessed with the fall time, okay? I have made a whole mess of YouTube videos regarding the fall since June here on my channel. So I figured I would just share a little haul of the things that I have picked up for fall within the past week and a half. So I will talk about what I'm wearing and stuff because this is all new and it's for fall kind of at the end of the video, but I know most of you are here for the home decor, so we'll start with that first. I'm not going to spend too much time on these items at all because they are from an antique mall. But I'm going to throw up a picture on the screen in just a second here so you guys can kind of see the direction that I am going and why I picked these up. But if you saw my first fall video, the one that I did as a collab with Autumn First Babe, I mentioned that I want to decorate for fall this year in a way that reminds me of my childhood falls, and my parents used to decorate in this very kind of primitive colonial Americana sort of a style. And we had tons of these items that I'm about to share with you. So they are these vintage pickling Crocs, or that's what my dad said that they're for, that they were for pickling. They might have been used for other things as well. But we had a bunch of these growing up, and when I was at the antique mall quite a few months back, I think right after Christmas, I saw these and it just took me back to another place in time, and I instantly thought about the first house that I lived in, and that's exactly the feeling I want to kind of achieve this year in my fall decorating. So these are going to be so cute with mums in them, pumpkins, birch logs, whatever. So my mom actually got me this one. This is the smallest one, and this one was $10. Unfortunately, my parents gave theirs away for free or sold them for dirt cheap, like $1 or $2 at garage sales. So they couldn't pass them down to me, and these are sort of collector's items, so they're not $1 when you buy them at the store. So this is my favorite one. This is the 2-gallon crock, and my parents had the ones that are half brown, half stone like this, or stoneware with the blue emblems. These are the ones that are so nostalgic to me, and this one was $45. I did not mind paying that price. You really cannot put a price on nostalgia, you guys. It lifts my spirit, it lifts my heart to see these, and of course you have to stay within your means, but I'm so excited to decorate with those this fall and for every other season too. And then the last one that I got is this one. I got a pretty good deal on this. It was $25 because it has these cracks in it. I think they're just hairline cracks, but they might actually be deeper than that. I'm not sure, but I'm not using it for pickling or to put water in or anything, so it's fine. And yeah, that is what I got from the antique mall. Don't mind the babies in the background. They just have to get into everything. This is Chip. If you have never met him, he hasn't made an appearance in one of my videos in a while. He kind of lays very low ever since we got this one, who is Dory. She's just a puppy because she attacks him whenever he moves, trying to play with him. So a rare Chip sighting and a not so rare Dory sighting. Dory, leave Chip alone. Chippy. Oh, I almost forgot. I did get one more thing from the antique mall, and it is this bunch of leaves. When I saw these, I was like, nostalgia. And then I thought to myself, why is that nostalgic? You've been seeing leaves at Dollar Tree, Michael's, Hobby Lobby for the past month. But the difference is these are preserved actual leaves. These are oak leaves, and these are the kind of leaves that my parents decorated with and still decorate with. These were $2, and I asked my parents where they got these. My dad said Hobby Lobby back in the day. If you have seen dried preserved leaves like this anywhere, let me know because I would love to get some more. And I don't recall ever seeing these at the craft stores, but I could be wrong. So let's move on to Joanns. If you guys saw my kind of sneak peek of the Joanns fall decor, then you know that I was blown away. There is something about everything that is at Joanns that was just so good to me. And they have this kind of theme there that is really speaking to me and kind of the vibe that I want to go this year. So the first thing that I picked up is this adorable little sign. It says "Gather Together," and the reason why this is speaking to me is because it has this kind of arrowhead patchwork quilt design on it, and it's kind of got that sort of primitive vibe to it. I'm actually going more traditional with my colors this year, I've mentioned, and this is super neutral, but you can do anything to add color to this. Put leaves around it, pumpkins, acorns, anything. So this was $19.99, but there's always a 40% off coupon. You can only use it on one item though, so I went one time and got this. And then I went back a couple days later. This next piece has been my big purchase so far, aside from that crock that cost $45. But this was the first thing that I saw that I was like, ooh, I really want that. I love that, but the price is a little bit steep. But I decided to go ahead and get it. So it is this sign here. It says eat, drink, and be cozy, and it has that arrowhead patchwork around it. I just thought this is so that vibe that I'm going for, and I can leave this up for Christmas and all winter long. So when I thought about it that way, I thought, okay, I can swing the price and maybe hold back and spend less in other areas. So this is $39.99. I used a 40% off coupon. I think it took it to like 25 or something. And yeah, that is this. So that was it for Joann's. Now let's move on to Mrs. Meyers. If you guys didn't know, the Mrs. Meyers fall scents are already out at Targets. You can actually go to the Target website, type in the Mrs. Meyers scent that you're looking for, and it'll tell you if it's available in your store or not. And you can do a buy online, pick up in store option. They'll have it ready for you in 2 hours or less, so that you can make sure that you secure these, because they fly off the shelves just as soon as they are stocked, even if it's early. So my friend on Instagram messaged me and said, have you tried the acorn scent from Mrs. Meyers? And I was like,
there is no acorn scent.
But there is this year. They have a new scent. I think they got rid of pumpkin because it was disgusting. Ugh, that was gross. Sorry if you liked it. I just thought it was really gross to clean with. So I think they've replaced it with this new scent, which is called Acorn Spice. And it's in the camel colored packaging with the acorns. So this is what I think pumpkin spice should have been. I honestly think that this might be pumpkin spice with the caramel note taken out of it. That was the reason why I didn't like pumpkin spice, because why would you want to clean your house with something that smells sticky and cloying? But this is like a spiced cinnamon, there's clove, there's a little bit of vanilla, there's a little bit of a woodiness or a nuttiness almost, which is probably like how they're trying to convey the acorn. And to me it smells similar to kind of like a pumpkin spice, but maybe with no, I don't really know what pumpkin spice has in it. It's a deep spiced scent that has a touch of sweetness. And I think it's really nice in a hand soap, but again, I like to clean with fresh scents. So there's tons of candles and hand soaps from Bath & Body Works that I like to use, but I wouldn't use as a cleaner, and that's kind of my feelings about this. They do come in candles, by the way. So I picked up that, and I also picked up just one of the apple cider dish soaps. I have a whole cabinet full of the multi-surface sprays, and you better believe I'm gonna get more. But I'm almost out of this, and I'm using it currently because I stockpiled these. So I went ahead and got one more, and they're like under $4. They're very affordable. By the way, you guys, I forgot to mention, I think that this is giving me similar vibes to the candle from Bath & Body Works that was called White Barn #1 last year. I think it's also nutmeg and spice, maybe a little less sweet than that. I actually don't have that candle anymore to compare to this. I did a huge candle purge at the end of winter where I gave my best friend like 30 candles. Most of them were unburned or burned maybe once. And that kind of leads me into my next items to share with you guys. Okay, sorry you guys, the dogs were fighting in the background and I had to stop and I lost my train of thought. I'm not really sure what the last thing I said was, but I think I was telling you about the purge. And with that being said about the purge, there is a sale at Bath & Body Works on their candles. They're $10 off. It's not the best sale, but I wanted to get my hands on some of my tried and true favorites. And that's all I want to buy this year. I only want to buy tried and trues, ones that I know that I burn multiple times and go through. Because when I did that huge purge and I thought about the price of 30 Bath & Body Works candles, and not to mention the melts that I had from other companies, I was like, wow, I just pick up candles that smell good. I don't put any thought into it. I burn them once or not at all, and I just waste money. So I'm only going to be purchasing the ones that I know that I will burn. And for me, that is leaves. I went through this, I think a couple of them last fall. This is like a spicy apple scent. It says crisp red apple, golden nectar, warm clove spice. Quintessential fall scent, kind of smells like a craft store, but a lot better. And it has the folk art packaging. I'm not really sure how I feel about this, neither here nor there, but I can easily turn it around. The lids though, these lids are cute. They have the acorns on them, and it's kind of like a champagne. I love these. So I got just one of these. And then another tried and true is pumpkin cupcake. This is like in my top 3 favorite candles. I go through these quite a bit. I'm kind of annoyed that they went with pink packaging on it again this year. They insist on pink packaging with this pumpkin cupcake candle. It must have sold really well in this packaging last year, but I don't want any pink in my fall decor at all. No. Give me the fall colors or something neutral, but not pink. But anyways, again, I can turn this one around and peel the label off. The lids on these are a pumpkin design, and they're silver. And this is literally a buttercream with a dash of spice. That's what the scent smells like. It's really good. I love this. So that's it for the fall decor. I am gonna kind of address a few little fashiony fall items that I am wearing. So I picked up this tank top from Amazon, you guys. I'm going on a beach vacation in a week. And that's basically the end of July, and then we're in August, and then it's fall. So I didn't want to buy anything that I couldn't transition into the fall time. So I got this tank top in this really pretty rusty color from Amazon, and I thought this would be really, really cute with a jacket or a cardigan come fall, and it was only like $10. I'm obsessed with this color. This has always been one of my favorite colors for the fall season and year round. And I just kind of feel like it's my color. I feel like this and olive green and like hunter green are my colors. But anyways, I'll link this below for you. It does have the buttons. It's very long. You can tie it up. I would show you, but I'm wearing sweatpants with this top. I am being an absolute fraudulent YouTuber right now, wearing like a cute upper body thing and then sweatpants on the bottom, but I'll show you. And it's a little bit wrinkly, but yeah, you can tie it up. And this shows you kind of how long it is. I'm embarrassed. Okay, honestly, I'm a little embarrassed that I just showed you guys that, but we keep it real on this channel. So I'll link this below. So I also picked up these hair scarves. I've been loving these this summer, and I wanted to get some that are more fall colors. I mean, you can wear this color in the summer like I am right now, but these are really cool because they actually come like this. It's a hair scarf tied onto a scrunchie, so you can, I'll actually insert a picture of how I wear these with a bun, like tied around my bun. And the picture is really embarrassing. I do not know how to take selfies, you guys, but you can wear it like that. You can just take this off and wear it the way I'm wearing it. You can tie it around a bag. You can just use the scrunchie. You can wear the scrunchie on your wrist. I mean, the options are endless. So it comes with this, it's just like a normal leopard print, like kind of orangey yellow, rusty color, kind of matches this. It also comes with the copper reddish with tan. I love this one. I think it's gonna look so cute with just like a white top. It comes with the black and white. It comes with the navy blue. The only summer color that it came with is this blush pink one, but you can wear blush pink any time of the year too. So I will link those below for you guys as well in case you're interested in them. I think they're gonna be so cute for fall. And then lastly, I'll link my necklace below as well because whenever I wear this, I get questions. This one is from Anthropologie, but I discovered that they have a super cheap one on Amazon that has really great reviews, and I don't know why we got this one from Anthropologie when we could have had one for a lot cheaper from Amazon, because I have amazing luck with Amazon clothes and jewelry and accessories. So I'll link both below, although I have not tried the Amazon one. So that is everything, you guys. I know that this video ended up being kind of long. Sometimes I make my videos short, sweet, concise, to the point. Actually, no, I don't think I ever do that. I try and I fail. But other times my videos are long and chatty, and I hope that you don't mind that. I really hope that you guys saw some things that you like. Maybe it sparked some ideas. If you are a fall lover and you have not already subscribed, go ahead and do that, because we do fall all out on this channel. We also go all out for Christmas. We are not even there yet though. I'm in fall mode, gonna stay in fall mode for quite a while. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in a future video. Bye now.